Hey guys, welcome to Brooklyn, a home for hip hop and art. Let's go check out my spot. But first, make sure you subscribe below. I'm Alana Garcia. I'm Associate Director of Marketing at Refinery29, but my side hustle is DJing. I live with my boyfriend Bryce and my French bulldog Ollie. We live in a 2-bedroom apartment in Bushwick, Brooklyn, and we have a very minimalist but artistic, creative feel within our apartment itself. What I love about this apartment is the space. We have the luxury now of a second room. Today, I'm transferring my second room from a storage unit to a more musically driven creative space. We're gonna focus on improving my DJ setup as well as organizing all my sneakers. The space really needs a change. It's a place where I'm supposed to wanna be at. My budget for this makeover is $450 at 3 different price points. First things first, let's go play some music. For the first phase, I'm decluttering my room by putting things in boxes and really trying to figure out which items I want to keep and which items I want to donate. Going through my clothes was very nostalgic. I found a couple items that I've had since high school, and there are other items that I've had and I just never worn. I'm gonna keep this sweater because I'm from Seattle and has all the mountains in Seattle, so this is one of my faves. While this is really cute, it sheds a lot, so this one definitely has to go. Great. I finally purchased a shoe rack on Amazon and it was super affordable. Cost a total of 40 bucks. Building the shoe rack wasn't as easy as it looked for me anyhow. This is a struggle because my boyfriend usually does all this, so there was a lot of confusing parts. They all looked the same to me, so it took me a while to actually get it together. This is really a struggle. Got it. Okay. I think that's right. Then what part is that? What? My boyfriend and I have collectively around 80 sneakers, so we have to fix that. When I'm DJing, the last thing I want to see is an ironing board next to me or stepping on my shoe boxes or turning around and seeing piles of clothes. Bam. Got it. I got rid of a lot of furniture that really helped clear a lot of space. It looks so much better. It's very clean and very organized. For the next phase, I'm really focusing on adding a lot of greenery. So I have this fake grass that's also gonna act as kind of like a sound absorber. So when I'm DJing at night, hopefully this will absorb the sound and it won't bother my neighbors. My love for music started at a very young age. Thankfully, my brother, my cousin, and my sister, they all introduced me to different types of music. And as I got older, I really decided to pursue my passion in music and decided to become a DJ. Not sure if this is really going to work with absorbing the sound, but at least it looks cute. I'm hanging the plants in my room. One of them specifically is a fun DIY project you can even do at home. All you have to do is buy some string, tie some knots, and get a king ring holder, and then you have your own little plant holder. This is my favorite piece of the room. It's by this great designer called Bodega Rose, and it's literally a basketball that's made into a plant holder. So this is definitely something I love, and it's just gonna add even more personality to the room. Looks great. I was a little hesitant of the grass walls. I didn't want it to look like a Coachella backdrop, but after seeing everything put together, it was exactly what I was looking for, and it really brightened the room. Everything looks amazing. I love the transformation. I already feel inspired. Now all I have to do are the finishing touches. Let's go. My budget for the final phase was $200. Rather than buying expensive artwork to decorate the room, I went around and found personal pieces around my house. I found a skateboard from Seattle, pretty much free 99. I used zip ties and hooks to hang it on the wall. I'm making my own little music cave. Now I feel like I'm ready to just keep going at this. To really show my friends and my personality, I took Polaroid photos of my friends at my last DJ event, and then I made a collage within a white picture frame. Cute. That's great. This rug has to go. It's way too dark for the room. I need something brighter, something that matches more of the overall aesthetic that we just did. Ollie, come on. I honestly never liked this rug. It was my boyfriend's idea. So now I'm excited that I can finally take it out and transform this room. Excuse you. Move over. It is Ollie approved, right, buddy? You like the new rug? Huh? This is exactly what the room needed. Oh my God. Ollie loves the new space. There's so much more room for him to walk around. The total amount was $450 and I'm very surprised with the amount of things I was able to get within that budget. I realized with a little bit of creativity, you really don't have to blow out your budget and you could really personalize your space. My favorite thing about the space is how big and bright it is. Before it felt very claustrophobic and dark. And now it just feels like I can breathe, I can move around. Even though I had this vision, I didn't realize how good it was gonna look. So I was very surprised that everything kind of just went together and went with our whole overall apartment look. The first thing I wanna do, of course, is DJ. Thanks for watching my room transformation. To subscribe to Refinery29, make sure you click here. And to watch more videos, make sure to click right here. Thanks.